Hello. So this specific GPT I have built on the purpose of supporting and assisting the students from the schools to the college as well as academicians who are well established. So what's the specific purpose of it? It helps you out to write something that is a requirement of your academic perspective in simple way. For example, you need to write something about AI in healthcare. So artificial intelligence in healthcare, that's one of the important topic and you want to write about it. And you need to read a good amount of publications as well as news sources to write it down. And here the assignment GPT comes on your rescue. It reads for you through using Google Scholar, PubMed, and all the other resources it can connect with in the from the internet, and then it writes a comprehensive assignment with proper references, means adding the citations, which is not hallucinating, it's the true citations, and avoiding plagiarism almost 100%. And this will help you to do it, what your purpose is. And the second part is that if you have some sort of publications and you are tasked to read it and summarize it, or you don't have enough time to read the entire probably 60-page publication, so you just upload it in here and it will summarize the major points that make sense out of that publications. So, and if you have data, you just can upload in here and it will write a publication, entire paper for you from here. So let's just start for the first step. So we have a specific interest on artificial intelligence in healthcare. So you just need to write an essay on AI in healthcare. This is the minimum instruction you can give. You can always optimize. You can put the instructions like, okay, I need 2,500 words or 500 words. I want references or more importance on these. It will be updating accordingly. So this is just an example I'm putting in here. And you don't need to worry about the plagiarism or any other issues that those you face frequently. It's already set up to avoid such problems. And you can see it's writing itself. And I would suggest at the end of the day, you read it and make some comprehensive update of it. So this is something like that. So we go from here and we have the entire writings from here. Now, this is the first verse. You don't know anything. You just write it down and the references in there. You want to check, okay, this reference is working or not. Is this references real? So you just search it. And it could be hallucination or something. So it's important you check it out. Okay, let us just take one of them. Caller. Okay, this is the real one. You can see 2019 dissected racial bias, but I would suggest to double check. The second part, that when you don't need to do anything, you have done that, you just write the topic, it writes the entire essay for you. You have a presentation or something, you're a smart one, just use this one. The second part, you get a publication which is probably 60 or 70 page, and you need to make a comprehensive summary out of it. You don't have enough time. I would suggest you reading, but if you don't have time, or you really it's not that important to read entirely one, so you just need to summarize it. You just go somewhere, upload it in here, and ask. Just a very big paper. It's really, really big. It's probably 60 or 70 page. And it's taking a couple of seconds to read the entire application. You can say it's reading the entire paper. It's a huge paper. And I uploaded it from the context. Okay, let's give it a shot. Something like that. And you can see it successfully has read the entire paper, which is a big, very big one. And it has summarized the entire things. It's a beautiful summary. So the instruction was provided on such a way that you can read it. It provides you the accurate informations, and this one was built. This assignment GPT was built on that. And third part is that if you have data and you want to read about the topic of your interest and then write the paper for you with proper citations and as a like a brilliant academician, it will do that if you add up with the data in here. So was the ultimate purpose, and it serves us very well. And you should take the advantage of this technological advancement to do the work. Those can be automated, and so that you can concentrate on more work, more advanced stage. I'm not saying you to be lazy, but you should take the advantage from here and work on the advanced problems. And that's the sole purpose of this assignment GPT. I hope it will help you. Just let me know if you need anything. Thank you.